First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Samsung phone to make sure the connection is established. After that, data on your Samsung phone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Click Apps User Apps, then you will see all apps on your Samsung phone. Preview and choose the app you want to delete, then click Uninstall. The chosen app will be deleted from your Samsung phone.